is part of the water treatment plant. This is how the fat stays here. This is like a skimmer machine where you can see the process how the water is bubbling with fat. They're trying to get rid of that bad smell. They're asking me if we can use some kind of applicator, some kind of spraying machine or something that we can put on this line so that we can eliminate the bad smell. I don't know if we can mix this thing with the grease buster with the water, mix it, and see if we can eliminate the smell.